Hello, friends. In supplement to the previous DevOps webinar that was presented on LinkedIn and YouTube, we are going to show a little bit of because the last video was ended with error. So I want to just explain a little bit about that one, and from there we will go ahead with next videos, right? So first of all, let us start with the Jenkins, and we will prepare a new pipeline right now. So there was a pipeline with the PowerShell scripts, right? So admin, we can prepare a new one to demonstrate same concept as to how we can uh, Jenkins, Jenkins, PowerShell, whatever name you want to PowerShell. So it was a pipeline, and from there we will go for declarative syntaxes, right? This is we have kept it so simple that like for some of the stages that were being handled by a script, right? So let us copy paste the one that we had already prepared. This is same thing. I think if there is any difference, then you may consider that, you know what, like I think on the replace images, I had given wrong script in the main webinar, in the main demonstration. So actually what we need to do is we need to shut down all the machines that are mentioned in our config file. Config file is sitting there in the scripts where we have all the scripts: start, swap, stop, and swap. So VM has all the three virtual machines. So it is supposed that all of the machines might should be running beforehand. So let me start those three machines. So we have to not only start, we have to change something a little bit so that we can prove that we have our machines have rolled back actually, right? So uh, 2 and 3, all three machines will come up, and these are small machines, Windows XP. I chosen for the sake of simplicity and speed, because we are making the concept clear here that Jenkins is so powerful and Jenkins is so uh, flexible that you can use any script, you can use any program that practically runs already, right? So this is Windows XP in three different names. So we have started one of them. First one, maybe this one. Oh, they are all starting yet. So what we tried to do last time was to change the wallpaper so that when we roll back, we can find the original wallpaper at the back, right? So what I'm doing, let me explain meanwhile it's coming up. What I'm doing actually, that whenever I prepare any VirtualBox machine, I always make a original copy where I start doing my research from, right? So I think I did not load that file in the editor, but here is the one in D drive. We have virtual machines in one of the. Another thing that I noticed many times, what happens is this VirtualBox is very sensitive to the security matters, right? So what I do is I prepare a machine with the same name as the directory name. The convention is that same name as a directory name, machine name, and disk name is the same. So that way it is easier. I don't have to provide too many parameters. So for the simplicity, so that is what I did. So what I mainly have done so far, that this original image is equal to the basic. This is original image. See, the size is same. So when I will do some activities on the machines, the size will tend to increase, right? So on the properties, when we go to the desktop, we remove the wallpaper. Okay. So just for keeping the steps simple, right? So apply, and when you apply, then it has a blue background, right? So let us see the next one, the other machine. These machines are auto login mode, right? So I have set up the account such a way that I don't have to intervene. It just goes on, and just goes ahead with the default parameters, default password, right? So this is the one that's coming slow a little bit because the system is slow. So basically on this one also, I will remove this one, and because it is the same color as the other one, I will just change a little bit. Desktop color also. Let me make it green. Oh, that is too green. Let me change a little bit, make it little not not hurting your eyes. Okay, so this is the background now. And then on this one, let us see what is the background. The third machine will go to remove this one. Oh, that was green actually, right? So yeah, like let us change it to somebody else, something else, right? Make it dark gray. Okay, so that background is dark gray, right? No, it's gray. Not. So these are the machines. These are running, and then when our Jenkins pipeline will run, it will what it will do. It will shut them down one by one. And once the machines are down, it will keep waiting, keep poking the status, and then once that goes, then then it will go ahead to change the disk, swap the disk, right? So on my Jenkins pipeline, I will just show you that this is stopping VMs. So this PowerShell script is automatic, and it will stop it, and then replace image is actually I have pulled out of the three stages. So rollback images is the script that only simply copies the images over, right, from the original to the current one, right? So third one will be the start the machines backup. So let us go to save it, and after saving this script, we will just build it now. When it takes some time, I will show you how it proceeds, right? All the steps should be whatever console output is coming from the scripts. Okay, so where is the script? Oh, let me from here. I will go for console. See the machines are coming down already, right? So see the machines are coming down one by one, right? And then this is our Jenkins, console output. So XP was running and then stopping now, then win XP and then XP win, all of them, and now they are restoring. They are restoring. See, first script has given a command to shut down actually. So WinXP, it has first stop VM has issued a command. Now because it's ACPI shutdown, it takes time to save everything and then go to the power off state. Then again, when the second script kicked in, it was still running. It was still running, did not stop by the time because it went quickly, right? So then it was waiting on this one, then it was waiting on XP, then it was waiting on XP win. So now from this one, it indicates that it is storing the disk for the win XP, right? And for XP, that has done already, and the XP also restoring the disk, right? There is no error so far. Actually, last time when it was a webinar, and that time we had prepared all in a hurry, all in rush, right? So we forgot to give the proper permission to the machine folders. Even though it started, but right overwriting the images has entered into an error, right? So that never completed. So we had a shortage of time because we had scheduled that webinar for only 1 hour. So now I'm showing you that this works very well. It works so great that like it is similar to now the performance and the features all depend upon your scripts because Jenkins has nothing to do with it, and right, and it doesn't put any. anything, any performance, contribution into the process, right? So this way, this indicates us that, see, it is doing the work as per your scripts. If you have Python, if you have Perl, if you have a PowerShell or whatever, VB script or JavaScript, everything, right? See, it has completed overwriting the script, sorry, the image. Now it is powering on. So it is powering on the machines, right? So what I was saying that whatever the language you like, and whatever the language you choose over the other, those language that you are using under the hood, those will be telling upon the speed. See, the first step, the stop VM took only 12 seconds, and then second step, replace images took 2 minutes 32 seconds. Then start VM took 16 seconds only, right? So this is all about it, and like Jenkins is really a hero on managing the things uh, from as a master script kind of thing, right? I would say the master script, because it is controlling all those things. Now, don't think that this is simple a master script. It is very big thing, very big thing. We will come to that those points. It's very big stuff, right? It's just like a big big software. In my history, there might be some others like I have seen before. IBM scheduler was very good for me, and there was one open, I don't know from what was the name, that was from Oracle, that was also very good. But I really appreciate Jenkins. People have done a lot of good work here. So the machines are coming up. See, even though it has given a commands, the machines are not properly up, right? See, they are still coming one by one. See, this one is off now. This one is also coming up, right? The third one. So it is up to the speed of the machines, but the scripts have done its work, and see, the images are back. Their wallpapers are back. This one wallpaper is original. This one wallpaper is original. On that one, that was the original one. So this is all about this one. So please try to communicate back, and I will display my email ID so that if you need any help, I will spend my time, because I am spending my time anyway. It's a research kind of thing, right? This is my hobby. This is my passion. So let us work together to prove something, save somebody's time at least. We all have to work in IT field, and let us help each other. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.